Textures, providers, Watchdog's promotion, the building blocks that make the magic possible. If you are in that place right now where the preview vanishes, logs stay empty, and you're wondering whether this whole Python on Android thing is worth it, it is. You just need to see the map behind the mess, textures, providers, Watchdog's promotion, the building blocks that make the magic possible. You know the moment when you're sure the code should work? You run your Kivy app, hit build, deploy to your phone, and the screen just sits there, black, silent, mocking. No crash, no error, just nothing. I've been there. I actually thought my phone's camera was dead. That quiet failure, it's almost personal. So I decided I wouldn't sleep until I knew why. My first clue came from one tiny word in the docs, texture. At first, I ignored it. It sounded like something to do with art, not code. But the more I looked, the more it felt alive. Every frame from the camera is really just a texture, a small beating block of pixels updating in memory. When the screen went black, it wasn't Kivy's failing. The heartbeat had stopped. The texture wasn't updating. I remember thinking, oh, so the bug has a pulse? Okay, texture found. But why did one phone behave and another just ghost me? That's when I met the idea of providers. Android, OpenCV, camera for Kivy, little translators between hardware and Python. And suddenly it made sense. My code wasn't wrong. My translator just didn't speak that phone's dialect. That was a relief. For once, the problem wasn't me. But then came the quiet death. The app stayed open, the feed just stopped. No errors, no warning. I remember staring at the preview, waiting for motion. That's when the term Watchdog showed up in a GitHub issue. It's not magic, just a timer that asks, are frames still coming? If not, restart the feed. Simple, but it felt like CPR. For the first time, my camera could recover instead of crash. Each fix taught me something new. Textures give you life, providers give you language, Watchdogs give you time. But the real piece came with promotion logic. A ladder that says, if one provider goes silent, another steps in. No alerts, no manual restarts. It's like teaching your app to trust itself. Looking back, I spent weeks fighting symptoms that weren't really bugs. They were lessons, each failure revealing how the camera ecosystem actually works. I used to dread the blank screen. Now I see it as feedback, the system telling me where the chain broke. That shift from panic to curiosity changed how I built everything in Kivy. So, if you are in that place right now where the preview vanishes, logs stay empty, and you're wondering whether this whole Python on Android thing is worth it, it is. You just need to see the map behind the mess, textures, providers, Watchdog's promotion, the building blocks that make the magic possible. In the next video, we'll take that map and plug in OpenCV to finally make image processing work with the camera, not against it. And when you're ready for the full engine, the one behind every demo you'll see here is waiting for you on my premium content, because nobody should have to fight the black screen alone. Link provided in the description below.